Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick workaround to resolving if your projecting to this PC feature is disabled. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button and select settings. You want to select apps on the left side, and then you want to select optional features. Select where it says add an optional feature, select view features, and you want to search for wireless. Select wireless display, click inside the little box here and select next, and then select install. And there you go guys, restart your computer and then the option to project to this PC should be enabled for you guys. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.